Hey, how you guys doing? It's Nosy Joe here. Welcome back to my channel. Glad you guys could come and watch another installment. Hey, check that out. Oh wait, that's for a future video. We'll talk about that later. Right now I'm working on my second installment from the Nevada trip I took. I did the Las Vegas Strip, and now we're going to do the Hoover Dam. But I think I got somebody at the door here.
Nosy Joe, what have I ever done to make you treat the Ducati so disrespectfully? My people tell me you say it is low tech. I know where you live. I know where you record your stupid little videos. My advice to you, you better change your tune about the Ducati.
Well, anyway, like I was saying, that Ducati I rode was very high tech, and so let's get right to it. You guys can check it out as I tour the Hoover Dam. Later.
All right, this isn't Kentucky. And this isn't my police bike either. We're about 2 miles from the Hoover Dam. I'm riding a Ducati Multistrada Enduro model. 1200cc bike. And I've never been to the Hoover Dam. I've only been to Vegas. This is my second time, and I thought, well, if we're out here, let's just go ahead and rent a bike. I use that ride share program or service. Is kind of like Airbnb, but to rent motorcycles. And I wanted to try riding something I hadn't ridden before. And I do like it. I'm not sure what this is. It says it's a checkpoint. Anyway, I guess while we're waiting, I can talk about this Ducati a little bit. I think it's a 16 model year. It's got just over 11,000 miles on it, so it's real similar to my Harley in terms of how much it's been used. It's got a lot of decent options on it. It's got cruise control, and it's got heated grips, and it's got some, they don't look like much, but it's got some really nice mirrors on it. It's about the best mirrors I've ever had on a bike as far as being able to see what's going on behind you. You're not struggling to get things in view. They're really nice design. No firearms, no model aircraft, which don't have any of those.
Any weapons on you today? Excellent.
Yep. Alright. No weapons today. That's strange. All that to ask us if we had weapons. I figured we'd have to get out our ID or something. U.S. government property. Use a Tesla. Yeah, they really protected us well, I guess. And there's like a trail you can walk. That's kind of neat.
But yeah, more on the Ducati here. Kind of comparing it to other bikes I've been on. I really like the suspension. And the engine is really good. I would say it's very powerful. It kind of has a short power range, and therefore the transmission is seems to be a very close ratio from what I gather. And just to kind of complement that short power range that it has. And it's not like that BMW I rode with the 6-cylinder. It does matter what gear you're in. It definitely falls off in power, and you can't just, lope around in 6th gear. That's not going to happen. So definitely a different type of power, although it's it's up there in the, I think, mid 100 horsepower range. But a lot different than BMW. As far as the controls and stuff, they're not quite as precise as the BMW. The shifter's a little clunkier, and brakes are a little weaker than that BMW. Brakes a little weaker than my Harley, to be honest. It's got a very upright seating position. I thought I was not going to have the issue with my shoulders and shoulder blades, which was the reason I put on the ape hangers on the Harley, but after riding this for about an hour, I am starting to get some pressure there. So it seems that if I was going to own this bike, I'd need some type of a riser on the handlebars. These appear to just to be the stock bars. Lots of people out here today. Bridge up there looks cool. So yeah, definitely a little bit different view than horse country Kentucky. There's some that's like the water line that you see there where it's lighter. You guys can see that or not. My association with the Hoover Dam has Transformers. Whenever I see the Hoover Dam, I think of the Transformers movie. Looks like there's some parking up here. The seat is not very comfortable on this bike, and I am ready to get off of it.